In a world consumed by the hustle and bustle of modern living, there exists a channel that takes us back to our roots. A channel where the art of self-sufficiency is not just a hobby, but a way of life. Welcome to Let the Land Feed Your Soul, where we explore the timeless practices of living off the land. A place where modern world meets the timeless wisdom of living off the land. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-sufficiency as we delve into the captivating world of homesteading, fishing, foraging, gardening, hunting, fireside cooking, baking, and so much more. Step into a world where self-sufficiency is not just a trend, but a way of existence. Witness the art of homesteading as I demonstrate how to create a thriving ecosystem right in your own backyard. Learn the secrets of cultivating a bountiful garden, where every seed planted is a promise of sustenance. Uncovering the age-old practices that have sustained humanity for generations. I've dedicated my life to the pursuit of self-sustainability, growing up in a world where nature's bounty was cherished and respected. I've learned that ancient arts of homesteading, fishing, foraging, gardening, hunting, fireside cooking, and baking from the very beginning. Passed down through generations, these traditions have shaped my way of life, instilling a deep connection to the land and a profound respect for its resources. And when the harvest season is abundant, I will guide you through the art of canning and preserving, transforming your harvest into jars of vibrant flavors, preserving the essence of each season for years to come, ready to be enjoyed long after the harvest season has passed. Experience the joy of fireside cooking and baking, showcasing flavors that can only be achieved through the simplicity of nature's elements. From freshly caught fish to foraged delicacies, discover the true essence of farm-to-table dining. This channel is not just about teaching skills. It's about embracing a way of life that has sustained generations. It's about reconnecting with the land, finding solace in its rhythms, and cherishing the resources it provides. It's about fostering a sense of self-sufficiency that empowers us to live in harmony with nature. So whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a curious soul yearning for a simpler way of life, join me on this journey as we learn to live off the land, embracing the wisdom of our ancestors and forging a path towards a more sustainable life. Experience the satisfaction of crafting natural homemade products that nourish both body and soul. Along the way, you'll also gain insights into the art of taxidermy, learning how to honor and preserve the beauty of nature's creatures, creating lasting memories of your encounters with the wild, making use of every part of the animal. Come with me and let the land feed your soul.